Hello everyone, and welcome to Capuchin. And today I will be showing you how to play Monkey Marathon, my version, inspired by some other people I was playing with. Okay, so I'll just speed up this part, like beating Dave. Yeah, see when it's done. So now that we've beaten Dave, I can head down this trapdoor. Yeah, I waited for someone. Anyways, so now that we're at the bottom, I can show you how to actually play Monkey Marathon. Okay. So, I'll just speed up the part till I get to it. So, you want to get all 3 monkeys chasing you. And obviously the people I was with didn't want me to get the monkeys with me. So, get all 3 monkeys, and I'll show you where to go. So, go down all the way, but you can't go straight no more. Awkward silence. Now you turn left. Then you turn left again. Turn left one more time. Actually, let's go to this tunnel. Go all the way down. I don't know why that mini monkey is glitching, but turn left, turn right, and you're out. That's how you play Monkey Marathon. And the rest is just some clips. I'll speed it up. Enjoy.